I want to talk about things that I've learnt over this past 10, going on 11 years, actually having snakes around me. And well, you look goofy trying to get up there and do what you're doing, Lily. It's okay. Do you want me to grab your tail? Will that help? Hey? I get that little tail out and you get it down there. Better? So I had to write things down, because if I didn't write them down I would just never remember them. So let's go. And hopefully by writing things down I won't forget anything that I really want to say. I have to say, they showed me things that just amaze me, and Lily continues to do that with me now. Every time I learn something different, and as I've said, I could write a book on the things that my snakes do and don't do, and like and don't like. And you keep coming over to say hello to everybody. Oh, you're coming over to read the book. I get it. I totally get it. I've also learnt that snakes are extremely social animals with us. We become a part of their life. We are there. We do for them. We feed them. We make sure that they're comfortable, that we create environments for them to live in captivity, to enjoy. I'm blocking the light. I'm blocking the light on you, Lily. Will I move out of the way? Well, that might be better. Okay, read the book. I get it. I get it. I don't have a book sitting there normally, do I? Oh my goodness, see? Normally she'd just toddle on off and go on up, and no, I'll lay on your book and you can't read your things you want to... Okay? So, as you can see, I had to stop the video. There was a little bit of Paw Patrol in there, and we know we can't do that. And my grandson's watching it, and he thinks turning up the volume is, when Nana says turn it down, I'll turn it up even louder. My cat has got to be sitting right there near Sunny. That's all I know at this point. And I'll sit back down, I think. They recognise other people, totally recognise other people. And I see it. I know that hasn't stopped you, Sunny. Oh, I had to quieten Sunny down. And yes, I know where you're going to go. I do know where you're going to go, and I can't let you go there. Okay? It's your new favourite climb and investigate area, and I'm not letting you do it. They recognise they recognise when it's somebody different. And I see that just in their body language. I'm so sorry. But honestly, my cat is laying just laying there, under Sunny's enclosure, not doing anything, not like trying to get Sunny. And it's not like Sunny can see my cat laying down there. Can you? I'm getting you out in a minute. Just give me a minute. All right? I won't be long. See what it's like to get a video done in this house. This is what I deal with. Lily's pushed the basket out of the way because she's... You know, that'd be really interesting watching you fall right on top of Lily. I don't know if you can all see her. I think that you can. Sleeping peacefully there on the box. Okay, a smaller box, but that's the one she would continually try and get under. But today she's decided I'll just lay on top of it, and my bird seems to think that she owns all this area these days, but she doesn't. But she does know that Lily's down there, and she's not impressed, but she'll tempt fate. I've got to keep my eye on her. She'll come climbing down. She will. She just has no idea that it only takes Lily getting frightened more than anything to, well, we don't want to know the rest, do we? But I have to keep my eye on her. I'm also... Sunny? Don't... She'll climb down. And this is why it's so hard for me to... Honestly, it's been so difficult for me to get any videos done lately. Between the birds, snakes, and talking of snakes. Don't go down any further, Sunny. We have little Maya up here in Lily's spot at this point. She did start by climbing up the ladder and going up to the little snakes area, but as far as Maya's concerned, there's Archie, but as far as Maya's concerned, she considers herself to be a big snake now. Not that Mum does, but I don't mind that she actually wants to be up there and chilling out, so long as she stays up there and chills out and doesn't start wandering. She's done a bit of wandering. She's been all over here, down, back, and over here. I've just been watching her and keeping my eye on her. She's just settled now. Archie is right up top today. He varies, goes to the next level, depending, I guess, on the mood he's in and where he feels like laying, but today it seems to be the top one. And all I can really, who's exposed as such, is Sunny. Not really any of my snakes. I did try and start doing this video earlier today, but Lily wasn't having a bar of it. Well, she was actually, and I'll show you a clip, but I'll kind of try and put it in as to why I didn't continue with the video, and I gave it up and decided I'm not doing it. I can't do it. I can't concentrate. I can't think. My life story. Hi, lovely people. I'm just waiting on Tessa to see if she wants to come out, because I would really like to get her on outside. Tessa can take a little while to just think about it. Sometimes she is more willing than other times, but you know, I've just got to be patient with Tessa, and she kind of thinks, well, okay, the door's open and Mum is saying for me to get out. Not get out, but come on out. This may take a while, so I I won't leave the camera going because it's also in her face, you could say, which is, you know, something that I don't normally do. I just open the door and I walk away. It's a nice sunny day, so I think Tessa will enjoy it before she has a meal tonight, or later today. She is due for a meal, and I really wanted to, you know, breach a subject of talking about, you know, what my snakes have taught me. Now you're going to see a few clips, bits and pieces before Tessa of how many times I've tried to start and why I've actually had to turn off the camera and give it up and go, I can't do it. It's impossible. It's just not going to happen. So I figured the best way for me to do it, if Tessa will come out, is to get on outside. And she's turning away. That is not a good sign that my girl is... Tessa, where are you going? Oh, I'm going to have a big yawn. Are you going to come out? Please. It would be nice. Hey? And exercise. That doesn't do Tessa any harm to have, I must say. Because she's got a lot of body there that she needs to keep moving and keep exercising and so forth. So, yeah, I think this video will ultimately end up being in 2 parts. And you'll understand that with each thing that I mention, there are more things that go with that one particular thing and why and how come and what for with it. So, yeah, I will... Are you going to come back? Are you going to come back and come out? Please. It would be nice if you come back and come out and we can go outside, sweetie. Hey, did you just turn around? And you're going to stop. Thanks, Tessa. You gave me a little bit of hope there for a second. I'm going to switch off and I'll come back, guys. Like I said, this could take a while and I've got a lot to discuss. Tessa has gone to sleep, you could say. So I'm going to get some headshots of her while I can, because she's perfectly still. Aren't you? Mum's not perfectly still, but but you're perfectly still. And we will go over the top of her so you can see her pattern. And she does have, you know, the side striping there and the circles on top of her, and they're just beautiful. That it's not red, but it's not brown, and it's kind of in between. Just beautiful they are. But she does not want to come out. We can get a good shot of her eyeball. Maybe, if the camera focuses. Not that great on the eye. But yeah. If I put it any closer, I'd be touching and booping her nose, you could say. And I don't think Tessa would particularly care right now. But she doesn't want to come out. So, She doesn't want to come out, she doesn't want to come out. And I'm not going to make her come out, you could say. So, I'll see if anybody else wants to. Hi lovely people. Yes, I have Oscar outside for a little while today. He really was the only one that was coming out his door. As you saw, I tried with Tess. She really was not interested. So I figured little Oscar can come out. He wouldn't let go of his log here that he has now. It's easy to just, yeah, he had his tail end sort of sitting on there. It needed to come out. It needs a good clean, as you can see. So did his enclosure. So I figured, well, okay, here's the opportunity to clean that out, get Oscar out, and let him go for a little bit of a wander around here. As you can see, you know, he's a little boy, and little boys can be faster than the bigger boys and girls. So I just have to keep up with him. So yeah, I did want to talk about the little periscope that they do. I love the little ones, and this isn't like brand new to Oscar, but it is because he hasn't had much time out here, and he's actually never really gone onto the grass, you could say. So I'm going to bring him back, and he knows I'm right behind him, and he's like, no, Mum, like, come on, I would like you to stay over here, dude. Okay, can you stay over here, please, with Mum for a little while? Yeah, he's climbing on the camera, and now he's trying to climb up on me. He's got his head stuck under my arm. By choice. Hey, by choice, Mr. Beautiful Silver Eyes that you are.